Hey guys, I'm Soren, and this is Dead on the Cool.
And I am Nick, and that is my son, and today I am his co-host. He wanted to get in on the episode, so I obliged. And here in Phoenix, it is 7:50 at night, September 25th, and it's 103 degrees. So I know if you're a regular of the show, you might feel like I'm complaining about the heat quite a bit, and it's still really bad here, almost in October, and regularly 100 degrees late into the evening. So that has slowed down the planned content for the car a bit. So on today's episode, I'm going to do a short one, and really it's a backlog type of episode where I installed my current taillights, or the V2 taillights, probably 6 months ago, and I did not film the do-it-yourself install of it, and never really showcased it very much. So that's what I'm here to do today. Is I'm going to show you how the taillights look like in the direct sunlight at night, with the blinkers on, reverse lights on, taillights depressed, and all that. So if you haven't seen them before, you'll get a chance to get a good look at them from a lot of different angles and perspectives on today's video. So let me show you how they look. far as what's coming next, I have received plenty of emails and messages over the last almost year and a half that I started the channel, and it's dawned on me that it'd be helpful to make a couple of small videos that are just commonly asked all the time. One question I get asked is, how do you get your car onto jack stands? Or how do you get your car onto jack stands when it's lowered? Something simple. So I have shown that process previously, way back when I was actually installing my lowered suspension, but it was in one giant video. And I think I'm just gonna put out, a 3-5 minute video on how to get your car onto jack stands. Another thing I need to do is do an oil change on my car. I've actually never done my own oil change because I've only had one done on it. And it's time. So I'm gonna show how to do an oil change. I'm gonna be doing transmission fluid flush, that type of thing. And of course, I will be showing you how to install these taillights behind me. That's applicable for any taillights you want to install, and just save yourself some money. So that is going to wrap it up for today's video. If you have gotten some value out of today's video, if you liked what you saw, go ahead and give me the thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to drop them down below. I'm pretty responsive, and be really curious to hear what you guys think about the current taillights that are on it, and then versus what's going to be going on it. And if you're not one for public commentary, feel free to shoot me an email at justahondaaccord@gmail.com, or you can reach out to me on Instagram at justahondaaccord. So that's going to wrap it up for today. I will see you next time, and I'm hoping the temp will finally be under 100 in the garage when I get to you. See ya.